Adaab everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's lesson,
we will learn about Ramoz-e-Auqaf. Now you might be wondering, what is Ramoz-e-Auqaf?
well, in Ramoz-e-Auqaf, Ramoz is the plural form of Ramz, which means sign or symbol. Auqaf is the plural for Waqf, which means pause or punctuation mark. So, Ramoz-e-Auqaf means punctuation. So, first up is Khatma or full stop. Full stop in English is a dot, but in Urdu it is a small dash. Khatma is also known as Waqf-e-Mutliq. For example, ये एक किताब है. This is a book. This is Khatma. Sakta or comma. This is comma in English, and this is how it is written in Urdu. Sakta is also known as Waqf-e-Khafeef. For example, अमजद फिरदौस और राजा स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Amjad, Firdaus and Raja are going to school. This is Sakta. Waqfa or semicolon. This is semicolon in English, and this is how it is written in Urdu. For example, सबा घर गई, बहुत खेली और थक गई. Sabha went home, played a lot and got tired. This is Waqfa. Raabta or colon. In both English and Urdu, its form remains the same. Raabta is also known as Waqf-e-Lazim. For example, Amir, मेरी घड़ी गुम हो गई है. Amir, I have lost my watch. This represents Raabta. Tafseeliya. It is represented by a colon followed by a dash. It is used when details of a given sentence are mentioned in the succeeding sentence. For example, पंजाब में 5 नदियां बहती हैं. सतलज, चनाब, रावी, जहलम और ब्यास. 5 rivers flow through Punjab. Satluj, Chenab, Ravi, Jhelum and Beas. This is Tafseeliya. Sawaaliya or question mark. The question mark of Urdu is the inverted image of the question mark in English. It is also known as istifhamiya. For example, बाजार कहाँ है? Where is the market? This is Sawaaliya. Fajaiya, Nadaiya. Both of these terms are represented by the same symbol, exclamation mark. Fajaiya is used for expression of feelings and emotions, whereas Nadaiya is used for addressing someone. For example, वाह, क्या बेहतरीन लिबास है. Wow, such a pretty dress. Huzur, sir. Both of these represent Fajaiya and Nadaiya. Now it's time for a recap. Khatma, Sakta, Waqfa, Raabta, Tafseeliya, Sawaaliya, Fajaiya, Nadaiya. In the next lesson, we will continue with punctuation. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.